With the kit, you'll have a couple different cables. You'll have a black one that is a 3-conductor cable, and then you'll have a gray one that is a 2-conductor cable. This black one is used for jumps. It provides the data signal to the LEDs and some power. This gray cable is just for power, and you'll run this alongside all the LEDs inside the aluminum channel, and you'll just tap into it every 50 feet or so. The last LED of each string has a couple wires on it to make it easy to do that. A future step will show you how to do that. But as for wiring it to the box, the first thing you'll want to do is take this black one. This black cable will get run from your controller box to the first LED of your run. So you just poke the wires through there, strip them just a little bit, and then you'll want to just wire it up to the box here. Over here you've got your positive outputs, your data, and your ground. So positive is your red wire. And it doesn't really matter which of these outputs you connect it to. So we'll just connect that. Green is your data, and it goes into these two center ones. If you're just using one output, we recommend just using this first one on the left, labeled GPIO16. If you're using both, just wire them both to it. Just screw it down fairly tight. It doesn't have to be super tight, but enough that it doesn't come loose. And then wire that into the ground. Black to ground. And now that's connected. So you'll just, again, want to run this cable to your first LED and then cut it. And then you'll be attaching this connector to it, which we'll show you in the next step. And then for your power injection cable, this will, again, usually be gray. Sometimes it might be white. But yeah, just poke it through. Little holes again. Make sure the wires are straight. And then red goes over here. Put it into another port, another terminal. And then black over here. And that's how you wire the cables. And you might have 2 of each. If you've got a 300-foot kit, you'll definitely need 4. So there's 4 terminals. Just use all of them.